If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to a SHIB video update. Now SHIB, we've seen nothing much happen with SHIB, and from the last time that I made the video, we do have this support and a break of the support, went for the retest, and it pretty much didn't do anything, but instead it's trying to make a pennant. Do you see that? Do you notice the pennant right here? So you gotta pay attention to this pennant. And I think that's the only update that I'm gonna bring in for SHIB right now. And yeah, it's pretty clear to me that we're looking for 749 as your technical target, because if you take the daily, this top to the bottom of that pattern that you broke out and you place it right here, it takes you to 749, and you do have a weekly bear flag that takes you to 622 as well. Now on the daily, the current situation that we're in is this one right here. Okay, so this upper resistance, this lower resistance, they're coming in and they're compressing with one another to create a triangle, and in simple words we call this a pennant. But back right over here we also have these three black rows, like three red candles back to back, and if you take that place to the bottom right here, now depending if you break down, we continue lower to 724, and be very careful, because that's going to be a drop of nearly 12% drop to the downside, and then you have a pump if you break up 3.3. But scenarios to me is likely that you still move lower due to the market condition and what Bitcoin is doing, and how we have a bear flag to even move lower, because this bear flag is confirmed and the technical journey to go to 622 is there. So basically we can have a chance to move lower. And that's pretty much it for this update. The maximum time we're gonna have to wait for a decision is gonna be 27 December. Time till tomorrow, maximum 2 days. I'm giving it 2 days for the movement to basically happen. And that's pretty much it for this update on SHIB. I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.